From the makers of the original Magic Bullet, introducing the NutriBullet, the superfood nutrition extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can turn ordinary food into superfood. Watch. Just load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the extractor blade, pop it onto the power base, and watch how the NutriBullet blasts ordinary foods into superfoods in an instant. Then just separate, give it a quick rinse, and you're ready to go again in seconds.
It emulsifies fruits and vegetables so well that I feel them go right into my system. I feel those ingredients immediately.
I am thrilled to death by the change in my health and how I feel. It's the combination of the fruits, the vegetables, and all the vitamins that are all being emulsified together. It works.
NutriBullet is different because it extracts all the nutrients from the fruits and vegetables and nuts. And I think everybody should do it because you just feel great.
The NutriBullet system is built to last, made from quality construction, and is protected by a full 1-year warranty.